Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and an attorney in Trump's case. Well, he just, in Georgia, I should say, there's so many cases, right? He just laid out something that I think stunned the court, might even stun Donald Trump, but it's a very, very good thing for the president and a very bad thing for Letitia James. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. So, an attorney for one of Trump's co-defendants admitted on a conference call with the judge in the case that he was the one who leaked the hidden testimony of people who are now making plea deals in the Georgia case. He leaked that testimony, and he leaked it because he said the public had a right to know. And I think he's right for a lot of reasons. I don't know if it's the best thing, to do that, leaking the video, but I don't know any other options he had. The fact is, the leaked videos show you that these people only have hearsay. They didn't actually hear Trump or talk to Trump about any of this stuff where he incriminated himself. They only heard from somebody who heard from somebody. It's a very weak case, and these videos expose it. Let's hear it from the report directly.
Well, we now know at least one of the people, Chris, that leaked the videos. It was an attorney for one of the 15 remaining co-defendants. Jonathan Miller, he represents Misty Hampton, one of the 15 co-defendants, just said during this open hearing, during this virtual hearing in open court, that he did leak the videos to at least one media outlet. And so he kind of gave a small preamble, said that in order to make sure that he can sleep at night and make sure that everybody can kind of rest easy knowing what happened, he said that he did in fact leak them. The judge, of course, naturally asked why he decided to do that. And he said that he believed that two of the defendants, two rather of the people who pled guilty, had to do with his client and actually helped his client. And he basically said that he believed that the public had a right to know.
Blaine, let me just interrupt you if I can for a second, Blaine, because I'm told we now have the tape of that exact moment. Again, Jonathan Miller, who is the lawyer for one of the co-defendants in this case. Let me play it and we'll pick it up on the other side.
I can go to sleep well tonight, Judge. I did release those videos to one outlet, and on all candor to the court, I need the court to know that.
So I guess the question is, now what?
Well, really, that kind of goes forward. And he said this almost in the same breath as that he said that he disagreed with the need for this protective order. We kind of heard the defense attorneys going one by one, essentially saying that they disagree. They don't think that some people saying that they don't believe that there is a need for this, as the state was arguing to have a protective order. But he was pretty strong in saying that he believed that the public had a right to know, that he wanted to put this information out. And the judge said that he was going to consider this as he goes forward and enters his own order on these motions. So this really, though, is something that's pretty stunning. I mean, I think that when we kind of look at the past 24 hours, the fact that these proffer videos leaked in the first place, knowing that they were made available only to, of course, the DA's team and then the defense attorneys, the 15 defense attorneys and their clients, certainly with the DA strongly denying that it was she, it was down to the defense attorneys. But a number of legal experts that I heard from over the past 24 hours, even other reporters who were covering this, we were talking about, just the fact that a lawyer possibly leaked this is highly unprecedented. Certainly not something that you typically see.
Now, the fact is that Trump's probably going to be found guilty in Georgia. I mean, I can't see him getting a fair trial and a fair jury in Atlanta, Georgia. But all this stuff helps on appeal. And that's what this is really for. This is for the eventual appeal of these convictions in New York, in D.C., in Georgia, that are probably coming, because what kind of jury are you going to get in these places? Look how they vote. I'm not trying to cast aspersions, but I am using common sense. That's my opinion. You can disagree with it. I want to know what you think about it in the comments. Please let me know. Also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.